Welcome to the QuickBooks University. My name is Matt Holtquist. In this video, I wanted to show you how to do a credit memo. Okay, so when is a credit memo going to come up? All right. This could come up when you have to issue a credit to a customer for whatever reason. It could be maybe you overcharged them, maybe they complained and you said, hey, I'll give you a credit on your account. Maybe they sent in more money than they were supposed to, okay, for their invoice, whatever the case may be. But, you know, at some point you may be issuing a credit to a customer. Okay, so in QuickBooks, when you do the credit memo, you can either refund it or apply it to a different invoice that they owe you. All right, so we're going to go through how to do that. All right, so the way I'm going to go to the credit memo is go to the customer drop-down menu, and you're going to see an option down here, create credit memos refunds. All right, so it brings up a form. Okay, this is an old one here. Okay, so we will pick the customer. So let's say that this is for, you know, Babcock's Music Shop remodel. All right, we're going to put in our class here if you do class tracking. All right, it's got a date, a credit number, and then it's got the customer information. So let's say that they said, hey, I don't want to pay for those blueprint changes. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put blueprint changes in there, and we'll say adjustment, you know, per telephone conversation. All right, so quantity, we'll say 1, and let's say that we're going to give them a $148 credit. All right, so there we go. So when you have this up on the screen, you'll see that you can go up here and you can give a refund, or you can apply it to an invoice. Okay, so if we say apply to an invoice, we'll see that Babcock's has all these invoices out here, and it's going to default to the first one, but you can put it to any one of them. All right, so you can apply it directly against an invoice that they owe you. Okay, or you can say use credit to give a refund. Okay, so when you do this, it brings up this screen, issue a refund, the name, the amount, etc. And down here, it's under to be printed. All right, so if we say, let's say to be printed, all right, and we go to file, you can print credit memo, or if you are on the home screen, you can go to file, print forms, you can go to checks, and if we scroll down, you're going to see Babcock's Music Shop remodel, $148. So you can print this out of QuickBooks, sign it, send it off, you're good to go. All right, so it's pretty straightforward. You want to make sure that you record this stuff right in QuickBooks so that you keep your books clean, your financials clean, you can make good decisions. All right, so you know, head on over to QuickBooks University. We got a lot of free videos over there on the blog as well as on the homepage. We got the full QuickBooks tutorial training that I am updating all the time, and you get lifetime updates whenever new software comes out and we update the videos. You get access to those, one-time fee. Head on over there. I'm there to answer all of your personal questions when you become a member. QBUniversity.org. Look forward to seeing you over there.